Hey, in this tutorial, I will make an Ethernet straight through LAN cable, okay, with the 568B standard. So in 568B standard, the color combination is orange white, orange, green white, blue, blue white, green, brown white, brown. This is side 1 color combination, side 1 color configuration, and same in side 2 or side B color and pin configuration. Configuration of pins and wire color must be same both sides in straight through cable. If we can configure same color and configure same pin straight, then we could make a successful straight through cable. So now I will make a straight through cable practically. So what I need two RJ45 connector for both sides. I need clamping tool, punching tool, and I need something sharp to cut outer jacket of UTP cable, and I need this one also. And of course, I need a piece of straight cable. So I need a piece of any category cable. This one, Cat 6 UTP cable. So I will make this one straight cable. So at first I will cut this outer jacket and here a cable support. So these are 4 pair of twisted wires. So now I will untwisting them. Okay. So in 568B straight through standard, this first color is, first wire is, or pin 1 is orange white, then orange, then green white, green white, then blue, then blue white, then green, then brown, white, then brown. So this is the color combination or color configuration of wires. So this one, number 1 orange white, number 2 orange, number 3 green white, number 4 blue, number 5 blue white, number 6 orange, number 7 brown white, number 8 brown. This part. Okay, now I am putting into this cable here, and now we should check that this cable is last part of this connector. Yes, I can see all cable is here clearly, and same here. Okay, so now I can punch it with clamping tool. Okay, I hope side 1 is finished. Now side 2. Again I will cut this outer jacket. Okay, then I will remove this support, then I am going to untwisting. So I am untwisting wires. Is 7 brown white and 8 brown. Okay, so what is 568B wire configuration? White orange, then number 2 orange, number 3 white green, number 4 blue, number 5 blue white, number 6 green, number 7 brown white, number 8 brown. I am using my fingers here. Okay. Now the extra part I will remove. Done. And I see, and yes, we see here cable configuration is okay. So now I should bounce. Yes, here brown and here orange white. And everywhere's recess here, the last part of connector. So now I should punch with clamping tool. So this is I configured this straight through cable. Now I should check. I will use my laptop and I will check that this cable is working or not. So okay, this is network. Please request timeout, and I'm oh, I hope it's working because it's lighted here. Okay, and it's pinging, so it's working. It's working. No packet loss. Less than 1 millisecond. So it's working. So this is the cable what I made just few minutes ago. And what is the color combination? This color combination is both sides same actually. This side one is this number 1 pin is orange white, second orange, third green white, 4 blue, 5 blue white, 6 green, 7 brown, 7 brown white, and 8 brown. So this is the so okay, bye for today. Thank you.